Hello, good morning, friends. Today we are going to start with our prose section. While depicting a syllabus, I have told you that in prose section we have two essays, out of which I am going to start with the first essay, that is My Lost Dollar. माझा हरविलेला डॉलर किंवा परत न मिळालेला डॉलर. The essay is written by Stephen Leacock. It is a very short essay, it is not so long essay. Stephen Leacock, who was an famous economist and humorist, and he was also a professor of political economy at McGill University, Montreal. He has written various books, particularly on the subject of economics and political science. Here, in this essay, My Lost Dollar, actually this essay is a satire on such a people who borrowed some money and has forgotten to return that money. It is also a satire portrayed by Stephen Leacock in a humorous manner. Basically, before going to start this essay, I want to discuss what is the central idea of this essay, or what are the three topics of this essay. First we discuss. The first topic is that Stephen Leacock narrated this essay in a first person, and in this essay there is his friend whose name is Todd. The first topic is that how Todd borrowed $1 from Stephen Leacock. Once upon a time, Todd was going to Bermuda, a place in America. At that time, he had not a change to pay for the taxi bill, and therefore he borrowed $1 from Stephen Leacock. Stephen Leacock very happily has given $1 and again asked, if you want more, I can give you. $1 was sufficient and he has given $1 to Todd. Todd has gone to Bermuda. Another thing of this essay is that now Stephen Leacock is worried that Todd owes him $1, but Todd has forgotten to return that $1, and therefore on various instances, on various events, Stephen Leacock tried to remind him about that $1. For example, Todd has written a letter from Bermuda to Stephen Leacock. Stephen Leacock received that letter and he thought that might be there will be a $1, or at least there will be a discussion of $1, but he opened that letter and found nothing. When Todd returned from Bermuda, Stephen Leacock went on railway station to receive him, hoping that he should get that $1 return from Todd, but Todd has forgotten to return that $1. Both the friends spent their evening in the discussion of various matter. In that discussion also Stephen Leacock reminded him about that $1, but Todd has totally forgotten. And third thing, that is the concluding part of this essay, and that is the message also. And the message is that it is the self-realization of Stephen Leacock. Stephen Leacock thought that Todd borrowed $1 from me and he has forgotten to return me. Like that, there were various persons, there were various people in this world in which they have taken some money from someone and they have forgotten to return it. Various persons, likewise, I may be one person. I have also borrowed some dollar from someone and have returned that $1. It is what the self-realization of Stephen Leacock, and therefore Stephen Leacock thought that I have to start with the movement, that is the back to honesty movement, because honesty is the best policy. प्रामाणिकपणा हा सगळ्यात चांगला गुणधर्म आहे आणि कुठंतरी प्रामाणिकतेची चळवळ आपण सुरू करायला पाहिजे असं त्याला वाटून जातं. अँड धिस इज व्हॉट द सेंट्रल आयडिया आर वी कॅन से धिस इज व्हॉट द येसे माय लॉस्ट डॉलर. Here in the next period I will start with the essay in detail. Till then, okay.